Please find a peaceful place to sit or lie down and allow your beautiful mind, body, and soul to take in all of these healing and soothing words. Repeat them along with me so that your whole wonderful being can be gently cleansed of negativity, opening the doors to new life, prosperity, health, love, and happiness. Gently repeat these easy phrases with me and memorize their powerful magic of self-transformation. I am blessed with wonderful gifts and experiences every day. My life is full of good health, gentle love, terrific success, and joyful happiness. I am grateful to be alive and have the great opportunity of experiencing another glorious day. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I am constantly surrounded by a healing white light that protects and guides me every step of the way. I am always in the right place at the right time, doing exactly what I love to do. I am focused and have a clear view of what my goals are and how I want to go about achieving them. Life is simple and easy because I realize that it's all about savoring each moment and being grateful for the luxurious pleasure it gives me and everyone around. I appreciate the goodness of every wonderful moment. I enjoy taking time out every day for me, doing what I like to do and what makes me truly happy. It makes me feel empowered to be kind and to express love freely. It warms my soul and showers me with bliss. Giving and receiving goodness fills me with joy and contentment. That is the greatest reward, to be at peace with myself. I easily forgive myself and others for past actions, because I know that nobody's perfect, and that's totally okay. We are all simply doing the best each of us can. I always give my best, and that makes me feel complete and free. I am able to let go of the past because it is over and cannot be changed. And by doing so, I am able to clearly think of how I can make my life better today. It is my choice, the path I go down. I am in control of my feelings and emotions. How I feel is up to me. I choose to have a positive and bright outlook on things. The best and the highest comes to me at every moment. I gladly thank the universe for all of the great things I have in my life. And in return, the universe is happy to send more wonderful things into my life. Thank you very much for that. The more I appreciate what I have, the more the universe can bless me with terrific health, beautiful love, infinite prosperity, eternal joy, and overflowing peace. What fabulous gifts